Hello students, today we are going to learn vertical method of division in lesson number 6, division. Division facts. When a number is divided by 1, the question is the number itself. For example, 32 divided by 1 is equal to 32. When a non-zero number is divided by itself, the question is 1. For example, 28 divided by 28 is equal to 1. When 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the question is 0. For example, 0 divided by 45 is equal to 0. Dividing a two-digit number by a single-digit number. 75 divided by 5. So, we will write 75 below the slipping line and we will write 5 in curved line. The first number from left is 7. We will divide 7 by 5. So, we will write 5 timetables. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. But 10 is bigger than 7. So, we will take 5 ones are 5. So, we will write 1 above the 7 and we will write the product answer which we get below 7. Now we will subtract 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 we will get 2. Now we will take the next number to the 7, that is 5, below. So our number become 25. Now again we will say 5 timetables till we get the number 25. So after 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. So we will write 5 above the 5 and answer below 25. Now we will subtract 25 minus 25. So we will get the answer 0. Now we will write the answer, final answer. 75 divided by 5 is equal to 15. Here dividend is 75, divisor is 5, question is 15, remainder is 0. Let us solve the next sum. Here 44 divided by 3. So 44 is dividend and 3 is divisor. So dividend we will write below the slipping line and divisor we will write in the curved line. As the divisor is 3, we will say 3 timetables. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. We cannot minus 6 from 4. So we will take 3 ones are 3. 1 we will write above the 4 at tens place and we will write answer, the product which we have got, 3 below 4. Now we will subtract 4 minus 3. We get 1. Now the next digit 4 we will take down next to 1. Now your number is become 14. Now we will say 3 time tables. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. 15 is bigger than 14. So we will take 3 4s are 12. So we will write 4 above 4, that is at unit place next to 1, and we will write the answer 12 below 14. Now we will subtract 4 minus 2, 2, and 1 minus 1, 0. Now we will write the final answer. 44 divided by 3 is equal to 14. Here dividend is 44, divisor is 3, quotient is 14, and remainder is 2. As 44 is not completely divisible by 3, so we got the remainder 2. We can get different remainder like 0, 3, 1, but students keep in mind remainder should be always smaller than divisor. Now next sum we will do 27 divided by 3. So as a 27 is dividend and 3 is divisor, we will write 27 below the slipping line and 3 in the curved line. Here 3 is bigger than 2. The first digit is 2 at the tens place is smaller and 3 is bigger. So we will say 3 time tables. 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, but we cannot subtract 3 from 2. So we will take 3 zeros are 0. So above 2 we will write 0 and below 2 also we will write 0 at tens place. Now 2 minus 0, we will get the answer 2. We will take 7 digit down next to 2. So again our number become 27. Now we will say 3 time tables till we get the nearest number to the 27 or 27. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Oh, we got the same product 27. So we will write 9 above 7 and answer below 27. Now we will subtract 27 minus 27, 0, 0. Now we will write the final answer. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. Your dividend is 27, divisor is 3, quotient is 9, remainder is 0. Next sum we will solve 21 divided by 4. Your dividend is 21 and divisor is 4. So we will write 21 below slipping line and 4 in the curved line. Now we will say 4 time tables as the divisor is 4. But here 4 is bigger than 2. So we will take 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4. As we get the product here 4, but 4 is bigger than 2. So we will take 4 zeros are 0. So 0 we will write about 2 and one more 0 below 2. Now 2 minus 0 we will get the answer 2. Now we will take 1 down next to 2. Again we got a number 21. Now we will say 4 timetables till we get the nearest number to the 21. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. 24 is bigger than 21. So we will take 4 5s are. So we will write 5 above 1 and we will write the answer 20 below 21. Now we will subtract 21 minus 20. So 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. Now we will write the final answer. 21 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Here dividend is 21, divisor is 4, question is 5 and remainder is 1. Next sum we will solve 80 divided by 4. Here 80 is dividend and 4 is divisor. So 80 we will write below the slipping line and 4 in the curved line. Now we will say 4 timetables. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we got 8. So we will write 4 2s are 8, 2 above the 8 and answer 8 below 8. Now we will minus 8 minus 8, we will get 0. Now we will take the next digit 0 next to 0. Now we will say again 4 timetables. 4 zeros are 0 we got. So we will write 4 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So here final answer is 80 divided by 4 is equal to 20. Here dividend is 80, divisor is 4, quotient is 20 and remainder is 0. Thank you.